Hey Scorpio. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Bottom of the deck, I have the Lovers. Didn't I tell y'all this is definitely a soulmate? Could be a twin flame situation. Maybe somebody's dealing with a Gemini, but this is your person. They love you. They care about you. They want to work this out. But I feel like right now, they're trying to make a decision. They're weighing up options. And this is why the way the Knight of Pentacles just came out, it's like this person has been moving really slow. But they want to turn things around. They want to move quickly to come back towards you. But this could be them trying to figure out how to get out of some type of situation to come towards you. Maybe this is you guys looking at them like, I don't know if I want to be with them because they've been juggling me and this other person, this other individual. Didn't I tell y'all justice kept trying to come out in that same order? So somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But either which way, this person's interfering. This is somebody interfering hands down. This could be a mother figure, like a child's mom, someone else that they look up to like a mother. But there's somebody interfering hands down. And I feel like this person, they're wanting to come towards you to speak their truth to you about this individual. Maybe this person is trying to get out of some type of legal situation with them. So maybe they're married. It's something like that, but they're trying to get out of something. See? They're wanting things to improve with you. They do, and they know in order for that to happen, they have to remove themselves. Look at that. I have 2 nines. This karmic cycle that they've been going through with this other person is coming to an end. It definitely is. Tell me more. See? They're getting ready to let them go. Your person is getting out of a situation, Scorpio, hands down. But see, I feel like whoever they're dealing with, they're arguing with them. Whether it's just one person or a few people. But yeah, there's a lot of arguing going on. And see, yeah, I'm telling you, the way the Knight of Swords came out, they want to rush in to speak their truth to you. But they're kind of dragging their feet because there's just a lot of drama here. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm also picking up, remember I told you they're arguing with someone or people over here. I don't feel like you're involved in this, but there is a lot of harsh communication going on. So it's kind of like if you're not hearing from this person, that's what's going on. They're trying to keep you away from it. Tell me more. See? They don't want you to cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But this could also be them not cutting this other person off just yet because they're trying to figure things out. Yeah, right now I feel like they're trying to make a decision, but they're having a hard time because they know that they left you out in the cold and they do want to heal things with you. But see, they're going to remove themselves. I keep seeing it. They're getting out of a situation, guys. They're removing themselves. Tell me more. Because they don't see themselves having a victory with this other person, whether it's friends, family, love interest. They're like, no. See, somebody could be stuck in like a family situation, a living situation. They're not happy. I'm telling you, they're getting ready to make a move. Okay, hold on. The Queen of Pentacles came out landing just like this. So I feel like that's the other person. Let me see. Didn't I tell you it's the other person? Okay, somebody's dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. So look. I feel like the person that they're dealing with, this person, yeah, they're all about money. You know, maybe your person has been taking care of them, you know, or is vice versa. But I'm telling you, this person they're focused on their money right now. And this is why your person does not have a peace of mind. This is why they have not freed themselves from this living situation, this home or family situation. They have not left. But I'm seeing that they will be working hard on trying to free themselves from that situation because they were feeling stuck. But this is them also putting their focus and all their energy into work and career. So like I told you guys before, if you're not talking to them, this is why. There's the Empress. So this person definitely wants to have a new beginning with you. Tell me more. Look at that. Ace of Wands. They do want a new beginning. They definitely do. But they're not walking away just yet. For some of them, for some of you, I feel like this person has a child with someone else as well. And this is the issue. It could be a boy. I don't know why I'm picking up on a boy, but if it could be a boy or girl. But I feel like there is a child here, and this could be why they have not walked away. You know, but there's the Tower. There's going to be some type of shakeup. There's going to be some type of shakeup, and see, now it's like they want to work things out with you. I feel like they're realizing, like, dang, I'm staying stuck in this situation. I'm not happy. Maybe they're going to find something out about this other individual. But what the main issue is, like I told you before, they're worried about their money because they are going to have to give to this other person, especially if there's a child or children involved, you know? See? Look at that. I told you, they're going to have to give to this other person, but I am seeing that you will get the offer that you deserve, this offer of love, but they have to get out of some type of commitment. If they're with someone, they're going to have to break up with them. Somebody could be dealing with another Scorpio, but they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. How many more? Yeah, they're having a hard time with that. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person is holding on to hope, you know, that they can work on things and make things right. But they know that they hurt you. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. I can't make this up. There's a child here. There's a child here. Either this person has a child with you or they have a child with someone else. For some of you, if they don't have a child with someone else, this could just be saying that maybe they want a child with you, you know? Maybe that was their epiphany. They're holding on to hope that they can have a family with you. But see, it's something with this past person. Maybe for some of you guys, this could be like their mother or excuse me. Oh, I'm getting jumbled. Okay, what I'm trying to say is maybe this could be like their mother. Remember I was telling you there was a mother or mother figure, and maybe they're the child. This can go a couple of different ways. There's too many of y'all. Take whatever fits. But regardless to whatever this situation is, they're trying to free themselves from it. This is an obstacle. They're trying to free themselves away from that before they come back, and that's why they're not moving forward with you just yet. Somebody is dealing with a water sign. Again, I'm seeing a Cancer. Somebody also could be dealing with a Taurus. See, there's communication coming in. They want to have a new beginning with you. This person definitely sees themselves committing to you, marrying you, but because they stabbed you in the back so many times, they're like, you're not going to take them back. See, that's why there's little to no communication. And see, they don't want to look back at what took place in the past, but this person, they're making changes. I told you, they're clearing away obstacles. There's just been a lot that's been preventing you two from being together. It could be that individual I was picking up on, too. See? They're back and forth with the Three of Cups. They know that they have to remove themselves from this third-party situation, but they haven't done it just yet. That's the problem. So, they're getting ready to take action. They're coming out of being worried. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. I'm going to be honest with you. Yes, they're worried about what you're going to say when they come back, but I'm more so picking up on the other person's energy. Whoever they're getting ready to leave, I feel like this person is... Remember I told you guys that there's a lot of arguing going on and it's a lot of harsh communication? I'm picking up on that just looking at the Queen of Swords here. I feel like whoever they're dealing with, they're coming off on them really nasty right now. This person that they've been dealing with, whether it's a love interest, family, friends, whoever, this person is very controlling. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. See, it's like they know that this person is coming towards you, but they're trying to hold on. See, codependency. They're codependent to them for financial reasons, and that's the problem. See, I'm seeing an offer here. Okay, so your person wants to give you an offer, but they've been giving to this other individual, whoever this person is, and this is why their money is over here looking a little funny, and this is why you haven't received the offer that you want from them just yet, because they're not moving forward, because I'm telling y'all, this other person is a problem. They have to get this together, whether it's, like I said, love interest or family, friends, whatever. See, this person chooses you, though. They want to balance things out with you. They want to start over and build with you, Scorpio. Tell me more. But they're back and forth with the Wheel of Fortune. This person's still going through their lessons, see? They're back and forth even with the Five of Swords. So they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. And even though they're trying to get out this energy because they want to move forward with you, right now they feel like they can't. I'm telling y'all, they're still going through lessons. See? They're not taking a leap just yet. They're not coming. Not yet. Let them go through their lessons, see? There's the Devil. Somebody could be dealing with the Capricorn. Clarify the Devil, please. They're feeling stuck in a toxic situation, and there's fear because I'm telling you, they're going to take a financial loss. See, that's why they're keeping quiet. Again, you could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person, they will be listening to their intuition. I feel like their angels are trying to help them. Their guides are trying to help them get out of this situation. They're trying to help them get over this fear of staying stuck in this situation that they know they're not happy in. Because, see, they're afraid things may not improve financially speaking if they were to walk away. This is why they stayed stagnant. They were comfortable in this other situation, but now they're fearing that things may not improve with you. I'm telling you, they're worrying about money. This person is definitely worrying about their money right now. I don't know if I said it. Sorry if I did. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But see, they're worrying about their money because of this family situation, because of this person from their past. But this was their lesson. This was a lesson for them. They had to go through it. Didn't I tell y'all? They're going through their lessons right now. Let them. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But there's a Magician. They're trying to stay positive. But they're feeling like the seeds they planted with you, they're not going to grow. They're going to have to make a decision. See, there's judgment. I told you, they're going to have to make a decision. Some of them, yeah, it could be a legal situation. Look at that. It's an important document, contract. They could be going to court, or there is some type of like legal situation going on. And this is why they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Even though they know you're their person. They know you're their soulmate. Could be dealing with the Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but I'm seeing that they're coming back to turn things around. But they're afraid because they know your guard is up. And they're undecided about what to do. So Spirit is saying if there is a family situation going on, they are going to walk away from them. But they're afraid that you don't want to be with them anymore. You don't want to have a family. Everything y'all talked about before, they're feeling like it's done. They're afraid that you're going to reject their offer because they kept secrets from you. They lied to you, you know. And now I'm seeing that, yes, they're going to come towards you with an apology. But they're just still moving slow. This person isn't confused. They're not confused, guys. See, they're sorry because they know that they had you waiting, but they're coming out of this energy. And look at that, the last card. They're acting like the King of Wands. This is somebody who is very confident, who's secure, that goes after what it is that they want. They're coming for you. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person, they will have the courage to come towards you and speak their truth. But I feel like it's after they get out of some type of family situation that they're in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. And yes, if you're interested in a personal reading, I'll leave the information in the description box. I will start back doing personal readings next week. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.